Later that day, I was up in the office. I heard a crash downstairs. I ran down to see what it was. The picture was lying face down on the tile floor, glass broken out. I could never keep a picture on that wall. And all the stuff she warned me about started to happen. And I never did see a ghost, so today I'll still say I'm a skeptic. But people heard about the weird things happening in the house, and the city newspaper came and did the story about me living in this supposedly haunted house. And that opened a floodgate. All these people started sharing their stories with me of weird happenings and legends, and not surprising, many of them were down here in Old Louisville, where all these old houses are. And that's when I got the idea to start writing about the neighborhood. When I moved here in the 90s, I was amazed I'd never heard of Old Louisville, all these beautiful mansions. And so I realized, you don't have to believe in ghosts to enjoy a good ghost story. I found that ghost stories are a good vehicle to talk about history and architecture and real life characters and local flavor. And I wrote my first book in 2005. My 12th one just came out a couple of years ago. And they're not all about ghosts. They're not all about Old Louisville. But of the 12 books I've written, the most popular are the 4 collections of ghost stories I've written about the neighborhood. So people wanted to see these places they were reading about. That's how we got into giving tours. It was a way to get people down here, to make money for the neighborhood, to get people out on the streets and just raise awareness. And it's been great going on 16 years now that I've been doing these tours in some form or other. We get people from all over the world. The New York Times wrote us up not too long ago. So the word's getting out. So